hear sounds every day, like television, loud music, construction activities, and traffic, as they have become normal sounds in our daily lives. However, when these sounds begin to disturb you or prevent you from concentrating on your work or cause you headache, then these sounds turn into noise pollution. Noise pollution is defined as an excessive amount of noise that could cause hearing damage and temporary disruption in the natural balance on our daily lives. Noise levels are measured in decibel. The average level starts from 60 decibel and the dangerous levels that could cause hearing loss starts from 85 decibel. If you look at Saudi Arabia, for example, the main cause of noise pollution is traffic. According to the case study by Abdulaziz Al-Ghanemi, it was proved that the traffic noise levels in Saudi Arabia are higher than the average by 76.5 decibel per a day. Noise pollution affects on people's lives, as there is a direct link between noise and our health. Noise could cause health issues including high blood pressure and hearing loss. It also might cause constant stress that might lead to sleep disruption. All of them could be linked to the high level of noise. Well, it's simple. While driving, make sure not to use the horn too much, unless it's an emergency situation. And if you like to listen to loud music, make sure to close the window or turn the volume down just a bit.